Want to retrieve all your Outlook PST emails, contacts, and calendars? Introducing Softaken Outlook PST Repair Software. It restores all mailbox items like contacts, emails, calendars, etc. It supports the recovery of password-protected PST files. You can save recovered PST data into PST, EMLX, Nbox, EML, etc. formats. It repairs PST files without installing MS Outlook. Smoothly recovers all email properties like subject, to, from, CC, BCC, etc. There is no boundation of the size of the Outlook PST file. It retains the original folder hierarchy while restoring the PST file. Supportable with PST files created by Outlook 2021, 2019, 2016, and other versions. Support all Windows versions. It supports multiple non-English languages, including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. Free trial version is available on the official website. For any query, contact us.